Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to get $35 promo code on DoorDash. Now there are a lot of websites that provide different coupon codes like Coupon Chef, Groupon, Coupon Follow, and many more. You can go according to your preference. Now at the search bar, firstly you need to search for promo code for DoorDash and you will be led to this kind of page. Now for this video, I will go for Coupon Follow. Now you will be led to this kind of interface and here you need to search for $35 off promo code. Sometimes it may not be available, but you can still check it. Currently, the $35 off promo code isn't available, but you can use any other. Here you can see various options. For this video, we will go for $20 off. Now, in order to see the coupon code, all you need to do is click over here. Now all you can do is simply copy it or you can click on redeem at DoorDash. Now what you have to do is you need to paste this copied promo code on your DoorDash application while you are redeeming your order. And after that you will be getting $20 off on your order. And this is how you can get promo code on DoorDash. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.